also time to say goodbye to Holly for a little while as she heads off on maternity leave, as it's tradition before you go. Here are your best bits.
Oh, I'm pregnant.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. He's doing another Twitter chat.
You could have said anything there.
We're here to give our guidance as psychologist, Dr. Linda Papadopoulos. Welcome to you both. So this is... I know I got it wrong. I know.
How many?
I know, shut up.
Papalopoulos. I'm not going to tell you what Holly's just said I look like.
But first, if you fancy the aristocratic...
Oh, I'm going to miss you. You very nearly resigned from telly. I'm going to get away with that.
I'll be back soon.
Wow, well done, team. They managed to get that in very, very quickly.
They knew it would happen.
Yeah. Everyone's standing by in the edit suite.
No, she's done it again.
So I think, first of all, we have to have flowers. Yeah. Let's have flowers. Here comes Amanda.
Crossing.
I'm officially handing the baton over to you. Look after my fillet.
I will.
Thank you. Oh, my God.
Come, sit yourself down. Get used to it. Get used to it. And then we have to have...
Firm.
Good.
A cake.
Very firm.
Oh, my goodness. Now, this I'm not sharing with anybody. Oh,
there you go. Would you like to have a look? Oh, I'm going to lift it up. There you go.
Fabulous cake.
Twist it round for you. Can you see it? Taking all the strain in my thighs here.
Blue,
oh, gracious.
a pink stripe, a blue stripe.
knows?
That's what I'm most excited about, finding out what it is.
Do we have a phone call? Hello, Dan.
Hi.
Hi, Dan. You get her back.
Hello, darling.
Hello.
We can't wait for you to come home, all of us. The kids are so excited.
I'm going to start crying.
We were talking about it this morning. I think Belle thinks you've got the sack. But I just wanted to say, have you made the announcement that we're having a baby girl? Tell everyone.
No, we really don't.
They don't know.
We are.
I think it's having a girl.
No,
We are. It's a girl, everyone. It's a girl.
We're going to hand you... Dan, we got to go.
Thank you,
All right,
darling.
good luck, Phil. Good luck,
I'm gonna
Mandy.
miss you all
Don't mess it up,
loads.
Mandy.
I'll
Keep
see
it
you
on there.
immediately after.
Yeah,
Look at what we've done
exactly.
today. On tomorrow's show,
enjoy it.
Lacey Turner, Jason Manford and Martin Lewis.
Bye.